Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a learning platform with Teachable, full guide step by step clearly. To build a learning platform with Teachable, start by creating an account on Teachable's website. Visit teachable.com and click on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address, name, and password to set up your account. After confirming your email, log into your new Teachable account. Once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Click on Create a New School to start setting up your learning platform. Choose a name for your school that reflects your brand or educational focus. Select the appropriate URL for your school, which will be part of your school's web address. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a theme for your platform. Customize your school's appearance with a logo, colors, and fonts that resonate with your audience. After configuring the look, navigate to the Courses tab on the dashboard. Click on New Course to begin creating your first course. Enter the course title and a brief description that outlines what students will learn. Set the course's pricing model, deciding whether it will be free, one-time payment, or a subscription model. Next, add sections to your course to structure your content. For each section, create individual lectures or modules. You can upload video content, audio files, PDFs, quizzes, and assignments to each lecture. Use Teachable's built-in tools to create engaging and interactive content. As you build your course, make sure to preview it regularly to check the layout and functionality. Once your course is ready, set the course to published so it can be accessed by students. Next, it's time to set up payment gateways to receive payments. Navigate to the Settings tab and choose Payments to link your bank account or payment processor. Configure your payment settings according to your preference. After setting up payments, consider creating promotional materials for your course. Use Teachable's marketing tools to design sales pages and email campaigns to attract students. Publish any additional courses you might have on the platform to expand your offerings. Once everything is in place, test the entire sign-up process as a prospective student. Ensure that the user experience is smooth from registration to course completion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.